strengthening to eliminate the debilitating energy from envy. Envy stems from an interpretation that becomes a mindset of limitation, lack, poverty, and low self-confidence. An envious person feels pain, anger, frustration, and sadness when others achieve what they believe they can't. Another form of envy comes from malice, a distorted mindset of simply wishing harm on others. They don't want the same things, just enjoy others' pain, seeing them as superior. This strengthening helps erase envy directed at you and from you towards others. Will strengthen your midline, CNS, spine, sacrum, and tailbone to repel these energies. Will strengthen your energy field inside and out to keep it fully protected. With infinite potential, 100% of the time, for all eternity. Will clear karmas with those who envy you and those you envy. Will erase this effect on you and them to 0 minus infinity forever. Will clear misconceptions about envy and how it's interpreted. Will erase influences from culture, religion, education, and family. We remove all weakening energy that comes from the word envy. We also remove the draining energy of shame from feeling envious. Self-shame, the urge to hide it, to conceal it from others. Let's clear away all this draining energy from every direction, above, below, left, right, inside, outside, front and back, from you and those who envy you. To 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Will erase all the weakening energy stemming from distortion, exaggeration, magnification, intensification, and misinterpretation of envy. Will remove the misconceptions, skewed perceptions, and misinterpretations of those envious of you, how they view your life and achievements. Will wipe away all the negative energy from the thoughts, feelings, words, and actions of those who envy you. We remove it from you, your physical spaces, your surroundings, your workplace, all your personal items, your projects, your body, every quantum particle, atom, molecule, cell, tissue, organ, system, and structure, and erase it from them too. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's erase the cumulative effect of being envied. We remove energy imbalances between you and those who envy you or who are triggered by memories of lack, limitation, or oppression. We erase weaknesses, centering and balancing everything. Will clear all that these energies have blocked, stagnated, limited, weakened, or set you back. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Will erase the effects of all harm done to you, physical, energetic, mental, direct, indirect, or partially indirect. Will clear away spells, hexes, and similar energies. We remove it from you, from them, your spaces, surroundings, work, and personal items, your projects, body, every quantum particle, atom, molecule, cell, tissue, organ, system, and structure. Let's erase the unconscious energy. Everything you do that sparks envy in others, from how you speak to how you carry yourself. Let's erase the secret pleasure you get from others envying you. We'll remove the cumulative effect of this on you and others to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Let's separate others' envy of you from your envy of others. We erase the weaknesses between both to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll erase the self-doubt and limiting self-talk in those who envy you. Let's remove their belief that what you have is impossible for them. We'll erase the energy of those who don't want your success but want to see you fail. We erase it from you. We erase it from them. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll erase unresolved issues with those who've envied you across all lives and combinations. We erase it at 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll strengthen your nervous system to turn harmful energy into neutral energy. Grow stronger when others try to weaken you. Be strong to release, forgive, and forget those who envy you. We'll remove emotions and reactions between you and them, erasing all weaknesses. We'll balance all combinations, making them centered and stable. We establish neutrality here, 100%, with infinite potential eternally. Let's erase the draining energy from your mind that amplifies and exaggerates this envy. We'll clear the energy of blockages and limitations you thought came from others, but actually stem from your mind. We'll remove the energy of misguided questions and answers between you and others that continue to limit and hinder progress. We erase this completely for all time, reaching into infinity. Let's clear memories of similar spiritual experiences from past lives involving you, others, and their interactions. We erase this entirely for all time, extending into infinity. We'll remove memories of envy causing harm, illness, and limitations in you, your ancestors, and descendants across lifetimes. Let's erase direct and indirect karmas from envying others, causing them hardship and rejoicing in their misfortunes. We'll clear the draining energy that affected you, your family, pets, plants, and business. We'll extend this strengthening to them as well. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time for infinite time. We'll erase the sadness, anger, frustration, and pain others feel when they see, hear, or think of you. We erase it in her, we erase it in him. To 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time for infinite time. We'll remove the weakening energy from comparing, competing, and feeling defeated. We'll erase the pain and suffering that shape this person's thoughts and actions. Strengthen understanding and self-awareness. Compassion and self-compassion. Strength in clarity, kindness, and abundance. Let's release resistance to lying, denying, forgetting, numbing, and closing off. Remember, you too feel envy. It's a normal human emotion. Strengthen self-control and awareness of self and others. Boost self-esteem and confidence. I separate you from those who envy or are envied. We erase weaknesses, leveling you with others and them with you. Be neutral to envy, given or received. Embrace sameness, difference, change, positivity, and negativity equally. Strengthen inner and outer dynamics, boundaries, and potential infinitely. Will strengthen you to erase, release, free, forgive, protect, and forget the energy of envy you feel and others feel for you. Strengthen to release, erase, free, forgive, protect, and forget the envy you feel for others and they feel for you, and all related blockages. Will remove all traces, remnants, and impressions, taking everything conscious and unconscious, subconscious, yours and not yours, from this life and others to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time for infinite time. Will strengthen you to reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. All right, tell me, how do you feel? The same or different?